right, welcome back to Terrible at Fishing, everybody. Well, Dark Horse Tackle has got a new box out today. Let me take some of this stuff down a little bit. Here we go. There it is. I'll take that one down. All right, so Dark Horse Tackle has got a new box. Now, there's a big announcement in here for those of you. And this is a really cool box. I happen to know what's in here already, so it's really exciting because something I've never used before. So let's check it out. This is the first time I opened my box, but I happen to know what's in this box. So there is a dear valued customer. We appreciate everything you do to help us progress the mission to bring you the best baits you've never heard of each and every month. Due to outside circumstances, we're going to have to implement changes to our products. The Weekend Warrior box, which is what I get, and the Dabble packs are our hope for these changes is to improve the quality of our product while continuing to provide you with the best baits you've never heard of from the best small businesses across America. Weekend Warrior box announcement. The retail price of the Weekend Warrior box will increase from $25 to $30 per month plus shipping and handling, which is $5. Retail value of the Weekend Warrior box will increase from $35 to $40 per month. So you're going to get better stuff in it for the $5. The quantity of baits received in the Weekend Warrior box will increase from 3 to 5 baits per month or packages of baits to 4 to 6 baits or packages of baits per month. So you'll get more stuff for your money. The retail price of the Dabble pack will increase from $7 to $13. The retail value will increase from $16 to $20 per month. So still very good value. From 1 to 2 baits per month to 2 to 3 baits per month. So you'll get more stuff in the Dabble pack. So you can opt out of these changes by canceling your subscription prior to 6/15. Any standing prepaid subscriptions will not be affected until the prepaid term is over. So wonderful. So that is their big announcement. They're going to charge more, but you'll get more, which is really nice. So let's look and see what's in this month's box. Things are hard time focusing. This is actually pretty exciting for me. So there's things I had to look up online because I've never seen anything like this. This thing, it's called a Cat 3 Storm from cat3tackle.com. cat3tackle.com. This is a tri-spinner, 3 spinners that you put on your fishing line. You put on your fishing line above your bait. So when you pull through it, let's say a lipless crank or a square bill or whatever, these just go nuts, adding a lot more flash to your bait. I've never heard of this. Cat3tackle.com is their website. I had to look it up. They give you some bobber stoppers with it. My goodness. They give you some bobber stoppers with it, but really quite intriguing. So now this is interesting because I started putting spinners on the back of some of my baits, my lipless cranks and my square bills. So essentially this is doing what I'm already doing, except it gives you 3. Kind of interesting. Real interesting, in fact. Okay, so Jig Masters, they've given us some screw-on 1/8 ounce jigs, 4 of them. So very nice. These are black. So very nice jigs. I like the screw-on jigs. Jig Masters makes good stuff too. So we also have the big hammer. These are rainbow trouts, 3.5 inch, 6 of them. Now these look beautiful. Really, 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 really pretty. Look at this. Look at that. I mean, that's a beautiful, beautiful paddle tail. Now, what's so cool about this is that we've got this. The Flourish rig, 3-arm, 3-inch, 5 grams. And basically, it's an A rig, except it's a miniature A rig. So, the Flourish rig. So, they are at BLT, like bacon, lettuce, tomato, blttackle.com. blttackle.com. So let's look at this. It's interesting. So it's basically an A rig, an Alabama rig. So that is it. And so you slide this up, and you've got yourself. I can put some EWG hooks right here, I would assume. Put these guys on it, and then I've got ourselves an A rig with 3 hooks on it. Pretty cool, actually. I've never used an A rig, so this is very exciting to get like a miniature version. Oh, these are scented too. These the hammer. They're beautiful. I gotta use these. Maybe I'll try it tomorrow. I'm teaching a guy fishing tomorrow, so taking somebody out on the lake and teaching them how to fish. So anyway, an A rig with these big hammer, absolute beautiful rainbow trout baits. And then we also have hand poured with the juice. What do they? Okay, they don't really give it a name, but it's a big old bug. It's a big old bug. Big old bug. We'll tear that open a little bit. There we go. Because I want to see what it smells like. It says it's got the juice. Okay, so here we go. So this is sort of it's interesting. It's got June bug on, sort of half June bug, half green pumpkin. So that is 4 appendages to it. 4 appendages. Woo, yeah, that'll work. So you get, how many you get in here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 6. You get 6 with the juice. So really cool. I am going to set the big hammer with this Junior A rig. I'm going to use it tomorrow. This is it's crazy. I've never owned an A rig. So let's see what this is all adds up to be. So the BLT tackle, the A rig, is $15. I did look that up online because I had no idea what it was. The original Cat 3 is that spinner thingy. That is $7, which, by the way, online you can get these in 3-packs too. It's quite interesting. We'll see. It'll be interesting if I put this ahead of the A rig. That'll be crazy. If I put this ahead of the A rig with the flash and that. That sounds crazy, but we'll do it. So the Cat 3 is $7. So, and then the big hammer is $5, $5.29. Stretching lines dangler. What is that? Is that what that is? Oh yeah, that's this, called the dangler. $6, and the Jigmaster sled heads are $5. So your total price is $15, $22, $27, $33, $38, $39. It's about $39 for everything in this pack, which you paid $30 for. So still, that's a very nice, you know, it's about a I don't know, 30, it's about 33%, about 30%, you know, savings on all this. Plus, I mean, I would have never bought an A-rig, and I would have never bought this Cat 3 thingy. So tomorrow, I'm going to rig this Cat 3 with the A-rig. Which will be super crazy. It'll be super crazy to do that. But it may be crazy enough to work. I don't know. And we're going to put the big hammer on it. So, oh my goodness. My new Shimano's going to have all that on it. So, bam. I mean, that's actually pretty cool, guys. I mean, stuff I would have never bought because I didn't know it existed. And, you know, if it works out really well, I mean, DLT, Cat 3, good job. I love those paddle tails. They're absolutely stunning. So wonderful. It's a great box. It really is a very good box. If you want 10% off on your first Weekend Warrior box, this is how you do it. Use the code RufinoPro10 on checkout. So just use that and you get 10% off on a Weekend Warrior box. They're going to be even better Weekend Warrior box, higher value, more stuff in them. And this is going to be a pretty exciting transition into a better value for all of us. So thank you very much, everybody. We're going to be out on the water tomorrow. I won't be doing a live because, you know, it's a charter with me and a guy, and I just don't, you know, I want to put them on camera. But we're going to try some of these things. So we'll tune in tomorrow and see what it's like. But today I caught 10 fish. I caught a beautiful smallmouth, big old pregnant girl, and I caught 3 largemouth, 2 trout, and 4 crappie. So, and it was a miserable day. It snowed on me, it rained on me, it hailed on me, lots of waves. Ugh, it was cold. It was warmer in the water than it was outside the water. So, but for a tough day of fishing, I did pretty good. You know, 4 different species, good variety. It was a fun day for the moments that I caught fish. So take care, everybody. We'll see you guys out on the water. Please hit like and subscribe below.